So, you want to connect AWeber to HBA, but you're not sure how? Good news, you're in the right place. I'll break it down step by step, plus, stick around because at the end, I'll show you a much better way to automate email marketing with an exclusive extended free trial. First, let's talk about what we're actually doing. AWeber is an email marketing platform, and HBA, or Home Business Academy, is a funnel builder that helps marketers generate leads and sales. Connecting the two lets you automatically add leads from HBA to your AWeber email list, so you can follow up with them on autopilot. Next thing, how do you set this up? Inside HBA, go to your funnel settings and find the integration section. Choose AWeber, and it'll prompt you to log in. Once you do that, you'll need to authorize HBA to connect with AWeber. After authorization, you'll see an option to select which AWeber email list you want new leads to go into. Pick your list, save the settings, and you're technically connected. But here's the issue, this integration is basic. HBA only sends over the email, maybe a name, and that's it. There's no deep tagging, no automation triggers, and if you want advanced segmenting, you're going to hit a wall fast. If you're running a serious email marketing campaign, you might want something more powerful. Another thing to watch out for: deliverability. AWeber has decent email sending, but it's not the best at avoiding spam filters, and you don't get as much control over automations compared to alternatives. If you're just starting out, it's fine, but if you want to scale, you might run into limitations. So what's the better option? Instead of AWeber, I'd recommend checking out Alternative Software Name. It has a more seamless integration with HBA, better automation, tagging, and deliverability. Plus, through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial that's not available anywhere else. I've also included a few other great alternatives for email marketing, depending on what you're trying to do. Whether you want better automation, lower costs, or higher email deliverability, I've got the best options linked in the description, and they all have free trials. Click the first link below to get the best deal, and I'll see you in the next one.